Hello everyone, this is Friba from watchknitting.com. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work on a reversible one color brioche stitch, which is very similar to fisherman's stitch but with different directions. For this pattern, you need to cast on a multiple of 2 stitches. It consists of a 1 row repeat and 1 base row. Here I have 14 stitches on my 4.5mm needles using medium number 4 yarn. Let's start the base row. I'm going to start by knitting the first stitch, then making a yarn over and sliding the next stitch, then knit 1 stitch. This is the repeat for the base row. The yarn over slip 1 action is called SL1U in brioche knitting. From now on, these 2 stitches will be worked together all the time. Again, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1. Basically, we are repeating a sequence of 3 actions: yarn over, slip, and knit. The next row will repeat the same process with a small adjustment for the knit stitch, which I'll show you shortly. First, let's finish the base row. As you can see, I'm ending my row with a yarn over and a slip, which means I don't knit my edge stitch. Now in row 1, we're gonna start by knitting the first stitch, then making a yarn over, sliding the next stitch, and this time working the yarn over and the slip stitch from the previous row together as one single stitch, knitting them together. This is called a brioche knit. Here again, yarn over, slip, and knit 2 together. This is a very easy pattern to follow. You'll simply repeat row 1 over and over. It creates a nice stretchy fabric. One tip for this pattern is to cast on a smaller number of stitches initially, because every 2 stitches will add 1 yarn over, increasing the stitch count. I'm going to work a couple more rows and then come back to show you the pattern and the bind off method. Now I have enough rows to show you the defined lines of the pattern. I'm going to repeat the pattern one more time and then I will show you how to bind off for this stretchy fabric. As you can see, I slip and yarn over in one motion, which saves me a lot of time. For any stretchy fabric, you can use this bind off method. Start by measuring about 3 times the length of the fabric and cut the yarn. Then using a tapestry needle, pick up 3 stitches from the left needle, pass the yarn through them, and drop 1 stitch at a time from the beginning. This will create a super stretchy bind off, which is ideal for this type of fabric. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials. I'm planning to cover brioche stitch in the round, both 1 color and 2 color versions. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.